worries.
All right.
How is everyone?
Good.
Pretty good, thanks.
You bet.
All right, well, how did everyone do?
Good.
Rachel's phone.
Anyone have any questions?
Yeah, I'm trying to pull it up. I think I did. Let's see. Sorry, it's so slow.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay, I cannot figure out how to get back to.
It's my last day here. We want to go to the temple this morning. And of course, this is not pulling up. Let's see.
Are you close to the temple?
Yeah, the Hawaii Temple is right on campus.
Oh, that's so nice.
Isn't that great?
Oh my gosh.
So great for the kids.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, so my daughter usually does baptisms every Friday, but we're going to sneak it in today.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. You have one right there too, Britton.
Uh-huh.
You guys are so lucky. Okay, we can move on. I'm just...
Natalie, we lost Natalie.
Oh, okay.
Make sure my email is up just in case. I guess I can text her. Oh, my phone's. I'm gonna invite her again. Let's see if that. Oops.
Okay. Here we go. Okay. Did we get her back?
I'm texting her right now. I don't think so yet. She didn't get it, so let me send it again. Excuse me.
No problem. I hear you. Where's baby girl?
She is sleeping, surprisingly.
Wow.
See how long she stays asleep. She fell asleep like right before we got on, but her naps usually only last like 30 minutes.
Okay.
So I've got her, my phone is in the other room with the Sound Machine app going. So anyway, we'll see how long she stays asleep. But okay, she's still.
Still not getting in.
Okay. Oh, here's. She's popped up, but Natalie, you're muted. I don't know if you can hear us or not.
Hmm.
There's like no picture either, huh, for her.
Yeah. That's weird.
That is so cool. I've never seen that pop up before.
Let's see. Okay, she said if you guys pull up the chat, you'll be able to see what she has to say. She can hear us. She just can't talk for now. So she said we can just start. So Jenny, were you able to pull up your?
Yeah. Okay. So, just like part 2 in the homework. So it's just P, it's the P hat formula, right?
Let me pull it up real quick.
Yeah, there are a couple formulas, but
I know. Like the more intense it got, like so the confidence and interval is nothing new of what we've been doing before, right?
mhm.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a little bit different, but it's the same idea.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you
Just with.
two on the prep assignment?
Oh yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so the formula is just a little different, but it's the same basically.
Yeah. Okay.
Um,
I'm just like talking through the steps. Like, okay, so then to find the margin of error, we've done that formula was fine. Construct and interpret. Where was my question? Let's see. Oh, that was okay. E. Oh, I forgot to square root, or yeah, just square. No, not square root. An E, the
let's see.
squared.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, to find the margin of error.
Yeah, just little stupid things. I'm like, how'd they get that answer? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Took me forever, and I guess this is on the homework, but it took me quite a few tries to get the right answers on a couple things, just because I kept either missing a step mathematically, or I would plug in the wrong, like, P. So I guess I'm kind of confused with, like, how we know when to use P versus P hat in the formula.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
like, I know this is in the homework, but it's the only example that I have. Oh, here, Natalie has a question. Let's do hers first. So, I have a question on part 2, number 1E. Do we assume P is known only if we are given an actual percent? I think, wait.
No, we don't. It'll like tell us specifically, I think, if P is known.
Yeah. I guess for this one we don't use the formula, we don't know P.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that oh, that's the confidence interval, never mind. Anyway, okay, so like on the homework, I've done the homework. Natalie. And I mean, I figured out why I got this question wrong, but it was number number 21. And then I just realized that I had put in the wrong thing. Like I needed to use P instead of P hat. So I don't know how to really tell. Does anyone know?
No, well, like in the homework, number 2, it says find P hat, blah blah. But
Well,
where? Go ahead, Britt.
I mean, I'm kind of confused too because it says in the last lesson that P equals P hat, right? But
Yeah.
then we can like randomly, like any variable or change we make, like to a study is also P hat.
Well, I
guess
think
that's what's confusing me.
in the previous lesson, it's
Or is it the
is
mean of
P is
P?
the mean. Oh, the mean of the P hat is
Is the
P.
same? Oh, is P? Okay.
Yeah. So, but like, I don't know. It's still confusing.
Yeah.
Okay. So Natalie said that she's noticed that on the Z-score, we usually use P. Okay.
Oh, that's a good thing to
And
watch for.
that's what happened, Natalie, on 17. I kept putting in the formula for the standard deviation for the denominator. I kept using, oh, I'm sorry, no, we're not even, okay, you're talking about 17 and I was on 21. Okay, 17. Let me find that.
Are you talking about the homework or
For the
prep?
homework,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, okay, so 17, that was one where we just had to enter the data into SPSS on our own. Have Britton or Jenny, have you guys done the homework at all?
I haven't gotten that far.
No, I didn't get to it either.
Okay, well I'll just explain it anyway. There's a link on there in the homework that'll take you to a video that kind of talks about how to do it.
Oh, Brother Cromar, yeah.
So if you guys pulled up number 17, you'll know what I'm talking about.
It's Brother Cromar's video.
Yeah, so what we're wanting to put into SPSS is the percentage or how many people that responded that they did get phishing email versus the number of people who they surveyed. So I just put it in. Let me screen share. If I have it in here. Okay, so I put it in like this. Not that one. Shoot, do I have the wrong one? Okay. So do you guys see the
Yeah.
I just put
SPSS?
yes and no. I mean they technically don't say how many people said no, but I just subtracted 324 from 800. So you put that in, and then you have to do the now I can't even remember what it's called. Do you remember what it's called, Natalie? The weight? Is that what it is? Yeah.
Yeah.
So you do the weighing, and then that's what gets you the graph that you need. Does that make sense? Weight the case. There we go.
Yeah.
That's what it's called.
And that was in the book from like
So
the previous chapter. Yeah.
yeah. So that's for number 17 in the homework. You just have to do a pie chart and then a bar graph for it.
Thank you.
Any other questions, or should we just?
No, but we Natalie and I had the same one, like that E part that on the.
Oh, have we addressed that yet? I can't remember. Okay. Oh man. Okay. Do we want to go ahead and
Let's just see what it looks like.
do the thing? Britton, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Let's open it up.
All right. Start it.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. So the symbol for the true population portion is p hat.
P hat.
The other one, or p.
True
Is it p
population.
hat or is it p? That's just the point estimate is p hat, right? Okay, Natalie just text p.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna keep
Okay.
up the chat unless it's. Oh, she's just gonna be texting me because I guess it's not, the chat isn't working on her computer.
Okay.
So, oh, wait,
Yeah, I can see her window above her name.
it's working again. Okay.
I like that little bell, so then we know she's talking.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so for questions 4 and 5, suppose that n equals 100, p equals 0.25, and p hat equals 0.10. The requirements for constructing a confidence interval is satisfied, true or false.
So we have the sample, the P, and the P hat.
Yeah, so then, like, this is another issue I'm having. So how do we know which one to use, the P or the P hat?
So with confidence interval, it's the p hat, I believe.
Okay.
So
Oh,
because,
yeah, you're right.
so because they gave it to us,
Both
we
of them?
say true.
Yeah,
So the first one
so B.
would be, right? This would be 100 times 0.9, which would be 90, and then the other one would be 0.1 times 100, which would be 10.
Okay.
What Braden said.
Yes.
Mhm.
Okay, and then the requirements for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied. So this is where we use 0.25, right?
Yes. Yep.
Okay. And they are, right? That's true.
Yeah, we have.
Yeah.
Okay.
It would be 40, and then the other one would be like 75.
Right. Okay. A study of first-degree murder trials was conducted in another state. A random sample of 60 people on trial for first-degree murder was taken. Of these, 45 of the defendants were found guilty. Use this information for questions 6 through 8. Find p hat, the point estimate of the proportion of first-degree murder defendants who are guilty in this state. So that is just the 45 divided by 60, right?
Uh-huh.
Sorry, I have to use my computer, so it takes me a little longer.
0.
Okay, so 0.75.
Yeah. Like 750.
Okay,
Got it.
create a 95% confidence interval for the true proportion of first-degree murder trials in the state where the verdict is guilty. So for this, we use the p hat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
And on this one, can we use the Excel document?
oh yeah, duh.
Okay.
That was another thing I kept forgetting about in the homework was like, oh, we can just use this. Okay, so I'm getting 0.640 and 0.860.
Yeah, 45 and then 16.
So the second one.
What do you say you got? 0.64 and 0.86?
Yeah,
Okay.
and that's what.
So I would have done it longhand, like, or what Excel are you talking about?
Oh, so in the lesson there was a link for
Oh,
the categorical data analysis.
we can. Oh gosh, I didn't even think to use that.
Yeah, that's what I kept forgetting about during the prep and homework. So yeah, that just makes it like a million times easier.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. Good to know.
Okay. If you increase the sample size from 60 to 80, what do you expect to happen to the width of the confidence interval? So if it's increased, it gets smaller, right?
I think so, yeah. I mean, it should be the same as just a regular confidence interval.
Yeah.
Because if you divide by a larger number, you technically should get a smaller result, which would
Yeah.
make the margin of error smaller.
And Natalie agrees. Okay, to conduct a hypothesis test for one proportion, two requirements must be met. Suppose P equals 1/2. What is the smallest n can be, and both requirements still be met? So I'm assuming they're talking about, okay, yeah, 6, or wait. Are we supposed to use this same
So we're just
info?
we're just gonna plug in p times n equals 10, and that way we can discover which sample size we need n to be.
Okay, hold on. Afton just woke up, so I will be right back.
What is Natalie saying? Let's see. Did you see what Natalie said? I didn't see it.
I think she texted Tori.
Oh.
Okay,
Soon
she
enough that happened.
said, n star equals 0.5. Oh, like sample is 0.5?
Well, that's so
What?
what we have to do is, in order for the requirements to be met, Pn has to equal 10 or greater, and so we can plug in
Oh,
0.5 and solve for n, so it would be
that's
20.
right. Okay. Hold on. Okay, so sample size. Sorry, just a second.
Oh, you're fine.
Suppose the smallest n can be and both numbers so met. So I'm sorry, say that one more time. How do you...
Okay, so there's two requirements that have to be met.
Uh-huh.
The first one is that p times n has to
Equals,
be greater than or equal to 10.
uh-huh.
And then the second one is that n times 1 minus p has to either be equal to or greater than 10.
Okay, so you
So
just
then we can,
plugged in P and solved for N? Oh,
yeah,
okay.
so then we just make sure that it'll satisfy both equations.
Okay. So, sorry, I want to do it so that
Oh.
Yeah, you're
Every
totally fine.
question asked is very helpful. So.
Okay,
Yeah, it's better to do
so
it like that than not understand.
So 20.
yeah, that's what well, let me check for the second one too. Oh, well, I guess it's the same. Okay. So yeah, 20 is our answer.
Uh-huh.
Okay. To conduct a hypothesis test for one proportion, two requirements must be met. Suppose P equals 1 over 10. What is the smallest n can be and both the requirements be met? So same thing. So let me make sure I get. Wait, how do you do the second one? Hold on. So for the second one answer I got was 100. You have to go with the second one. Okay. Yeah, let me do the math for this real quick.
Sorry, I lost audio for a minute.
You're all right.
Okay, so it is 100. Okay. So for the first one, Natalie, so for the formula that was n times 1 minus p or whatever, did you get like 11 for that? Or 12, I mean? I don't. Did you catch my question, Natalie? It's so funny to be like talking for the text.
Modern technology.
Or like I guess either of you guys got it. Like what did you get for that? Uh, Natalie, I'm gonna try calling you from my computer. Or can I FaceTime you, Natalie? But just do audio? I'm just gonna try that. Because then you guys should be able to hear her too.
Okay, that'll work.
Natalie? Can you hear me? Yes.
Hey.
You try and turn up the
Oh my
volume.
goodness, this is like the most annoying thing ever.
Jenny and Britton, can you guys hear her?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Now it's, oh shoot. Okay, well, I think I should call you on my phone. I'm using it as a sound machine for Afton, but it's starting to make a ripple. She hung up. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go grab my phone.
Okay.
Okay. This will just be a lot easier.
Afton will wake up.
She might, yeah. We'll see. Okay, this is dumb. I thought I had Natalie's number saved. Oh, that's because it's under D. Okay.
You're like our tech guru, Tori.
Oh my gosh, no, I'm like so far from. Hey. Oh, well. I'm going to keep you on the phone because it does another ripple. Yep.
Oh. Shoot.
Okay, so for the first question, Natalie, what did you, or for that last one that we just did, so I got 100, and then, but what answer did you get for the other formula? Okay. Was it like, I'm not sure how, if I did it right.
Are you a 9?
Yeah, well, we're still on the same,
Yeah, 9 and 10.
yeah, so 9 we got 20, and 10 we got 100. I just wanted to make sure that I did the math right for the other one. Okay, cool. So I did it right. Okay. Okay, so for 10, we're gonna put 100.
Yeah.
Everyone agreed? Okay. Sorry to make that like way more complicated than it needed to be.
No,
I
you're
just
good.
wanted to make sure I was doing the math right for the other one.
No,
You
it's good.
got it.
Okay, so Jenny or Britton, do one of you guys want to read the next one?
Sure. So for questions 11 through 16, use the following information. For the water quality study in the reading, about 60% of the macroinvertebrate water quality indicators have historically been associated with good health. The researchers suspect that water quality in the area has decreased. They conduct a hypothesis test using significance level 0.5 with the following hypotheses. Null hypothesis p equals 0.6, or alternate hypothesis p is less than 0.6. They collect new data, and this time n equals 80 and x equals 38 indicate good health. The conditions for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied.
See, they gave us the sample amount.
Yeah.
So we use our p, correct? Since it's a hypothesis test?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Does that make sense, Natalie? Natalie was so instead of using like finding p hat, we just use p since we have p. Yeah. So
So we'd use the 0.6
yeah, 0.6.
to be either 60 or...
Or wait,
Wait, never mind.
what am I doing? Is that right?
No, I was wrong. So, let's see.
They gave us our null, our
Yes. Since
alternate.
p is known or whatever, or since we're doing the hypothesis test, that's why we use p. I think. I don't.
Yeah, because there's two different ones. Like if we go back to question 9, so to conduct a hypothesis test, then we use P. And then if we're doing like a confidence interval, that's when we're going to use P hat.
Okay. That makes sense. Okay, so we times it by 0.6, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I did it wrong because I'm retarded. Okay, I did 8 times 0.6, and I was like, that is definitely not it. Okay. No, it is. So, well, for the first one, I haven't done the second one yet.
Okay, are you talking 11 and 12? What?
Yeah, we're on 11. We're on
Okay.
11 now.
Okay.
Um,
So are the conditions satisfied?
okay, so I haven't done that part yet. Okay, so 80 times 1 minus 6. Okay. Okay. I just want to make sure I did the math. Okay, so did you get 48 and 32, you guys? for the
Yeah.
two different things? Okay.
Yeah, like I didn't think to do any. I just was seeing if the.
Wait, hold on, Natalie. Jenny, what did you say?
I was just seeing if the. Uh, um, conditions for conducting. I was just seeing if all the information was there is to do a hypothesis test. Is that not? You guys are doing some
So
math.
So right
Yeah.
now what we're doing, do you remember those formulas? Like the n times p has to be greater than or equal to 10.
Oh yeah. Okay. Like
That's what,
Britain was saying in number 9.
yeah.
Okay.
So that's what we're doing for number 11.
Okay.
And we just use, okay, fine, you can have it.
Remember, we used to be doing this in our other chapters, and we just had to see if all the data was there, and then we'd say, yeah, the conditions are there. But now,
It's easier.
okay.
Yeah. Okay, so then 11 is true.
Yep.
12, what is p hat? So that's going to be 38 divided by 80, right?
Yep.
So we have, yep, 0.475. Is that what everybody else got?
Yep.
As I drop my calculator. Yep.
So then find the test statistic. I'm going to need to grab a pen because Afton stole mine. Here you go.
So you guys, let's see, are you using your applet? Oh, we have to know this.
Yeah,
Not
so we have to find the z score. So that's going to be, is it the p hat minus p?
Yeah.
Okay, so 0.475 minus 0.6 divided by that formula for the standard deviation. So do we use p? We use p in that formula, right? Not p hat? Okay.
Yeah. 'Cause that's the test.
Okay. Sorry guys, it takes me like forever to plug in the math.
That's all right.
You're just amazing. You're using, you have a baby, and then you have the phone to your ear.
Yeah.
Then you're.
Rough, guys. It is rough. I feel like I'm gonna be way off here. Okay, what are you guys getting? Because yeah, I definitely did not get that. I'm not even done, but I know that I did something wrong.
How did you set it up, Tori?
Okay, so I put 0.475 minus 0.6
Uh-huh.
divided by the square root of 0.6 times 1 minus 0.6
Mm-hmm.
divided by 80.
Yeah, that's the right way to set it up.
I've set it up right. It's just
Doing
I'm
the math.
And
typing
sometimes
it
what's
wrong.
easier for me too is just with the like p times 1 minus p is just to subtract it in my head and multiply them together, because even if it's going to be negative because of the square root, it'll end up being positive. So just like 0.6 times 0.4.
Yeah, well, I did do that, but it's everything else that I got wrong. I don't know how hold on. Let me just see. I must have just typed it in. So 0.24 or divided by 80. Oh, yeah. So I don't know how, but I got some like way off the wall number. I got like 8.9 or something. Here's your pen. This is for you. You can't have the cord. Cords aren't for babies. Yeah, okay, so I just totally plugged something in wrong. Okay, so what did you guys get?
Oh, one more thing. Let's see.
I got negative 0.534.
Okay, so Natalie and Britton both got two totally different things. Hold on, I'm gonna move to the other room so that she can have toys. Oh,
Okay.
sorry, guys.
You're
So
fine.
you're fine.
Our lessons would go by so much faster if she wasn't so crazy.
She's our group member. We're fine.
Yeah.
You're asking what I got, and I got a syntax error. How about that?
Okay, yeah, and I'm gonna do it again too.
I have it written out how to put it in. It just takes me a while to put it in right. So don't wait for me.
Let's see. I'm gonna do it one more time and just see if I get the same thing.
Okay. So.
Oh, now I get something different.
No.
What did
don't-
Natalie get the first time?
She got negative 2 point what?
282.
282. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I just got that.
What did you do, Britton? Do you think?
Well, I didn't do anything differently.
Oh.
I just put it in the calculator the exact same way, but I don't know.
Oops. Okay.
Excuse me.
So negative 2.282. Okay, so what is the p-value? That's where we plug it in to the applet. I think I have it. Okay. Okay, yeah, and we just do to the left of it, right?
Yeah.
The point
Negative.
zero. Wait, what did you say, Natalie? Point. Okay, yeah. 0.011. I don't know what I heard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. 0.0112, but
Okay.
it's to 3. Okay.
Okay, so then we reject the null.
Yep, reject the null.
Okay.
Reject. There is sufficient evidence to conclude that the water quality in the area has decreased. Right.
So I got, I think, all those wrong on the test. And so when we reject it, is there sufficient evidence? And when we fail to reject it, there's insufficient evidence?
Yes.
Okay.
How did you find out what you got wrong?
Oh, I got a couple comments on just like, they didn't say like what I got wrong specifically, but just had like the questions I missed and like what the correct answer would have been.
Oh,
So I think they're working on like doing feedback on them.
Wow.
yeah. I would really like some feedback.
Yeah, I would check because it just barely showed up today.
Yeah, it's going to take them
Okay.
a week
Did
to
you
do mine.
did you guys who got feedback, where did you get it? Like, did they email you or?
It shows up on your grade tab in iLearn, and it'll have like an orangish like speech bubble next to it.
Oh.
So I'll explain it in just a second. Like, but if you go to your home page, in the bottom left where it says like gradebook activity, that's where mine popped up. So it has like the test again and then that feedback.
Okay. Okay, so on 15, I didn't have it up, but we failed to reject.
We re-rejected it.
Oh, we
Rejected
rejected it.
it.
Yeah.
And then
Sorry, but Natalie.
a number 16.
Oh. Sorry, I guess did I repeat what you said, Natalie? I'm like, guys, I'm so off today. I apologize.
I think you're great. Multitasker extraordinaire.
Oh gosh. Okay, wait, Natalie, what did you say in response to Jenny, or did we already answer Jenny's thing? Okay. Anyway, guys, we did great. I don't know if you guys have submitted it, but...
No, I didn't get to 16. What's 16?
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Jenny, let me pull it up again.
There's insufficient evidence to conclude the water quality has not increased. I mean,
Yeah, so we rejected the null because the number was so small.
yeah.
And so since we rejected it, that means there's sufficient evidence. So there's sufficient evidence to conclude that the water quality in the area has decreased.
Okay. Gosh,
Okay.
I almost put the wrong one.
And then, hypothetically speaking, so if we hadn't rejected the null, we would have put there's insufficient evidence to conclude that water in the area is like different than 0.6.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep. Exactly.
Goodness. Okay, cool.
Good job. Now, if you could relay to
Well,
Natalie, we were supposed to meet about our assignment that we turned in on Saturday, but
Yeah.
we're going to go to the temple. I wondered if okay, what's tomorrow?
She's saying that she can call you, Jenny.
Okay. I'll be back tomorrow morning in Arizona, so it's Friday. Is Friday good? Is that good for her?
Hold on, Jenny. Yeah. So you've done it already?
Maybe we can compare and just make sure.
Oh. Oh, Dan. Here you go. Okay, guys, she's saying let's go down to the group project and then final project overview. Okay, so what are you saying, Natalie? Uh-huh. Yeah. So there's, well, sorry, go ahead, Jen, or Natalie. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. When you're already done. Yeah. So what she's saying is, she feels like, she feels like it's kind of redundant to have both you, Jenny, and her doing it. 'Cause she's
On
like
step one.
finished it, so like to have you both writing your own thing and then coming together. I don't know. She's saying maybe we should just
Do you want to
split.
give me another job?
Well, yeah, so like since Britton has two, you guys can just split it and you just take one of them and he'll have the other one.
Yeah, that works.
Okay.
I'm sure they might be a little bit more than we think they are,
Yeah,
so it'll be fine. I mean,
probably. I mean, yeah. Anyway. And then
Okay.
a
Yeah.
testing writer for the PowerPoint. We're still okay with everyone just kind of making
Doing-
a slide for their own
Yeah.
thing.
yeah.
Okay.
So Britton, you had 4 and 5, so take
Yeah, so is there one that you want to do out of those two? I'm good with either one, so.
Okay. I think I am too.
Okay.
I'll give you the more detailed one. Make inference or take action. I could take action.
Okay. That works.
I'm gonna take action, guys. Okay.
Awesome.
All right. So then do we have to review each of them together as a group, or does just the one person do it and submit it?
Yeah, I think we all just kind of, I mean, the one person does it, but then everyone should get a chance to look over it. And
You're
like,
gonna share a doc, huh?
Okay. Do you just want to like email it to us then, Natalie? Or how do we want to do that?
yeah,
then?
she'll email it to us.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Yeah, she's saying she doesn't feel like it's great, but she wants our feedback,
Yeah,
and
that's fine.
she'll finalize it.
I'm sure it.
So yeah, I think that's a good idea. So just email that to us whenever you get a chance. And it's now is that's what we have to submit today, right? Okay. Sounds good. Do our what? Oh. Yeah, okay. She was just saying that ideally doing the like everyone collecting the data this weekend.
Okay.
Well, I guess so. We've got two
We got
separate things for collect the data and describe the data. So collecting the data is due next Saturday. But I'm
really?
not really sure, like, yeah. Well, let's see. So it's due, my part, describing the data is due Saturday of week 11. So I feel like I don't think, yeah, if you get it to me just by the end of next week, because we're in week 8 right now. So yeah, I've got 3 weeks. So like
Yeah.
if I had it, like if I had it before week 10, or like before the end of week 10, because that's like spring break and we only meet once, that would be a good time for me to, like if I had it all by then,
Yeah.
that
If
would
we
be,
could each do it within the
that would be
next
the
week or
absolute
week and a
latest.
half, that'd be good.
Yeah.
So
No
and then
problem.
I'd be able to, week 10, finish or do like the describe the data part and send it out to you guys and have it approved before we have to submit it on week 11.
Yeah, that's fine.
So
And
you guys have like a week and a half or
Sounds
2
then,
weeks
okay.
to do it.
And I just checked too.
Uh-huh.
They put make inferences and take action together.
Yeah.
So I guess
Week 12.
we'll just figure out either how to separate that or
Yeah, or maybe, well, because we can all I don't know. I'm not very like PowerPoint savvy.
Uh-huh.
Natalie says she's not either. So what I'm thinking, like, what if we,
Do you want me to put together a PowerPoint?
yeah, but what we can do is like each, because that's a lot to like give you every.
Yeah.
So I think if everyone just gives you what to put on the slides and then you just put it all together.
Oh, I'd love to do that.
Because then
Yeah, we could
it'll
do it
all
like
look
that.
the same. Because if we all like did our own slides, then they might have like different fonts, which isn't a big deal, but like it would look better.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we could give kind of a summary of the information.
Yeah, I'd be
And
happy
then-
to.
Okay, because yeah, I guess it does say to
Okay.
have like a main writer for the PowerPoint.
Yeah,
So-
I say let's do that. I mean, it's technically writers, but like
Yeah.
we'll
Yeah.
give Jenny everything she needs, and then if you just want to assemble it and make it pretty.
Oh, I'd love to do that.
Okay,
Cool.
sounds good.
All right. Have a good weekend, guys.
Yeah, you guys too.
All right, thank you guys so much. And again, I'm so sorry
Don't
that
be.
like
Don't be
it was
sorry.
just all over the
We
place.
under-
I
we
feel like it's my
understand.
fault. No, Natalie, acting just like makes things harder sometimes.
You're amazing how you work through it. So
Yeah.
Thank you guys for being so understanding.
you
Yeah.
bet.
All
Okay,
right.
take care,
Well,
guys.
talk to you on
Okay.
Tuesday.
See you
Well,
guys later. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.